Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I have been gone for a month. It was an unintentional month-long break. Was not planning on that, but it happened. But it's nice to be back. I'm currently in the Cane's drive-thru. So we're doing Cane's today. I will tell you more about my life after I have the food. But I just want to say welcome back. Welcome to today's video. I'm happy to have you here. I'm sorry I abandoned you for a month, but I'm back and I'm happy about it. Let me grab the food and I'll be back. Okay, here I am with my delicious 3-finger combo and Diet Coke. I am hungry. Really ready to get into this. Let's take a bite of Texas toast. I don't know how they do it. Cool. Real cool. Their chicken is so freaking hot. I'm not gonna, it's too hot. I can't even touch it. Fries also hot. I just want some damn chicken. Oh my gosh. So hot. As I said, I did not mean to be gone for a month. It just kind of happened. And then the longer I'd gone without making a video, the easier it was to keep going without making a video. And I just thought no one will notice or care if I'm not making videos. But then a couple people commented on other videos asking if if I was still, my channel was still around. Someone commented or messaged me on my Instagram. Someone commented on the Snack Collective asking if I was still doing my channel. So it was very nice to be missed. Because I really didn't think anyone noticed. So that was nice. Cane's. Pretty good. Pretty good. It's hot though. I mean, I'd rather it be hot than cold, but wow. The main point of this video is to say that, number one, hi, welcome back. Here I am. And two, during my unplanned hiatus, I hit 2,000 subscribers. So it was kind of fun. And for my 2,000 subscriber special, I'm gonna do a Q&A because I did a Q&A for my 1,000 subscriber special, and I don't think I've done one since then. And so much has changed since then. truck probably needs to go into the shop. It does not sound very good. Anyway, so I'm gonna do a Q&A probably this weekend because Brent, you guessed it, has another race. And that's a perfect time to do a video like that. So anyway, do it this weekend. I'm gonna do a Q&A. And okay, here are my two ideas. I either want to do homemade mac and cheese, because I've never made homemade mac and cheese, or Indian food, just because I love Indian food and I haven't had any Indian food in a while. So let me know in the comments if you'd rather see homemade mac and cheese or Indian food. And then leave me a question if you have one. And we'll do a mukbang Q&A. I'm getting very hot, so I think I'm gonna end this here. The bread is so good. It might be my favorite part of Cane's. Bread plus cane sauce. Ow. That was like a hiccup burp combo. Okay. I still have some fries and a tender left, but Brent can take care of that. Okay. Yep. Thank you for being here. Forgot how to make videos. Indian food or homemade mac and cheese, and then a question if you have one. Leave it down below. And I'll be making my 2K subscriber special this weekend. Have a great week, guys.